I'm Beyonce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across one of my videos, I do focus on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, please think about clicking on that subscribe button if you enjoy the content, of course. Also, if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and click on that notification bell. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I'll do a bonus video on Sundays, so I don't want you to miss any of them. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be kind of a quick video. I'm just going to be curling my hair with you. I'm actually just getting ready to film some content, and you guys have been asking me about my new unit, and this is from a Black-owned business, okay? A young girl out here doing it. My hair is flawless. She did the color, she plucked the unit. The unit is beautiful. It's ready to go. As you can see, honey, she's not dry even though she's blonde. She really did the thing. So today I'm just going to be curling the hair up and giving you my thoughts, because this is not really a sponsored video, but I definitely wanted to just tell you what I'm thinking about the hair a week later, because I got my hair done about a week ago, and give you guys my experience with the hair and customer service, because she has her own salon and obviously she sells units and extensions. So if you guys are interested, you'll definitely have something to kind of refer back to. So if you are interested in hearing about my new Beyonce unit, honey, actually it's Jada, but stick around. Okay, y'all, so as I'm doing my hair, I'm just going to talk to you guys about the hair company, and this is not sponsored or anything. I just wanted to kind of give her a shout out. I'm loving my hair. You guys know I don't go get my hair done a lot, and when I do, and if I love it, I want to share that. And the thing that I love about Carissa is that, first of all, she's like a young Black girl, like 20s, okay, in her 20s. She owns her own salon studio suites, so you can like literally go and rent a suite from her. That's so major to me. Also, she has a hair company where she sells custom wigs. She sells, you know, actual bundles as well, and then she is also a hairstylist. So I mean, she is literally a triple threat, and she's good at all of the things. So this is one of her custom units. This is called the Jada, and I absolutely love this unit. So I'll definitely be including some footage like when I went. So I did not record her actually doing my hair, but you'll be able to see like her little setup. The thing that I love the most is that when I walked in, there were like a wall of wigs. So of course you want to make an appointment, but when you walk in, there's this wall of wigs, and you can literally choose the wig. It's already like colored, styled, and everything. She'll style it for you on your head, but you can kind of get a gist of how the unit looks. But mainly it's colored, it's plucked, and ready to go. So that's one thing that I absolutely loved. And again, I chose the Jada wig. So this unit is so pretty, you guys. I am loving the color on this. How gorgeous is this color? Like, it is like an ashy blonde with dark roots, and she did an amazing job. You don't really see any like crazy lines of demarcation. You see beautiful flowing highlights. I mean, the unit is good, you guys. I've been wearing this hair for about a week or so. So let's go ahead and get started with curling on this, and we'll continue to talk about it. So, but yeah, I got my hair done a little over a week ago, and I wanted to kind of wear it for a little while just to be able to give you guys, you know, my thoughts on the hair. You guys have been asking me like, how did you get this color? Who did your hair? And so I did not do this unit myself, but this, I think this is, it's 180% density, and it's 24 inches. You guys know I'm short, so the 24 inches on me is pretty long, and she actually did some face framing layers in it. But you guys, look at the color. It's just so good. I am obsessed with this color, and it looks so good on my skin tone. So I am just using, you know, my old faithful curling iron. And so here's the thing. The unit is a glueless unit, and I'll show you guys the construction of the units. And it also comes with an elastic band that says TCC hair on it. So it has that adjustable elastic band that I love so much. The reason why this is not in is because she actually glued down the front. I typically don't go for glue, but if I feel like I'm gonna like the stylist and what they're doing, you know, I'll let them glue it down because I want it to look good for as long as possible. And this is how it's looking now. At first I didn't have any baby hair, but I feel like for me, glue just does not agree with me. So I had to pull a little bit of baby hair down just because, honey, the glue was already lifted up like on day 3. But that's just because glue does not agree with me. So I'm just going to go through and put some light curls in here. I figured I'm getting ready anyway. Why not just show you guys how I curl the unit? So far, I have not had any shedding at all, like literally none. I have not had any tangling, and the hair, as you can see, it does not look dry at all, you guys. It still has a nice little luster, and there's nothing on this hair, okay? That is one thing that I am super impressed with, because as you can see, it's a nice lift on this, but it does not have like super dry looking ends or anything like that. Even when I'm parting through it, you don't see blotchy color. You know what I'm saying? I love that. So it's super easy. It has a comb in the back, so I do have the comb kind of like secured under my braids and everything. And look, it's amazing. I just tie my hair down at night and go. And this hair holds a curl like no other. This has been curled since, yeah, about 4 days. I haven't done anything to it in about 4 days, and this is what I have left, which is like a nice wave. I really could have just hit the front and went on, but I want to give you guys some voluminous curls today, kind of like how it was when I first went, so you can see the full potential of her, honey. But when it came to my experience at the actual salon, it was pretty good. I walked in and I had my mask on. You dial a number to be like buzzed back. There's a little waiting room. And so she finally, you know, she came out. I think it was like 5-minute wait. She came out. She was ready for me. There was nobody in the suite with me, just she and I. And, you know, she kind of looked at my natural hair. She washed my hair. Okay, that is something to mention, because a lot of these stylists these days, especially the younger girls, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm old school. If I go to the hair salon, girl, why do I need to come wash and blow dry? I ain't never heard, if that ain't the most laziest thing. So she washed my hair, she conditioned my hair, and she braided me up, you guys, okay? Braided me up, sewed the back of the braids up, and all of this was done from her putting the unit on, styling it, cutting it, and everything in less than 2 hours. So it was a pleasant experience for me. So if you're in the Nashville area, I would highly recommend you checking her out. But even if you're not, again, you can order her bundles. If you're not into wigs, you can order the bundles online, or you can, like I said, order the wigs. And I do have a coupon code for you guys, which is PNB, and that'll give you about $30 off. So, you know, she does all the work for you. She does all the work for you. You don't have to worry about plucking it. And another thing that I do like, that I do find a bit different between her wigs and the other companies, the density. Okay, this is 180 density, and you know, like when you make your own wigs with bundles, they're always thicker than what you would get when you like order a unit. I feel like this feels like I made it, or like she made it, you know, and it's just good. So you can see how easy that was to curl. Girl, what did that take? 5 minutes? Like, come on now. And then I'm just gonna move on to the other side. So I'm obsessed with the hair. She did a really good job, and she said that this would look the best on me too. She had a couple of other colors. She had a real blonde one in there. I was like, oh girl, not today. But she had a lot of different options. So again, I haven't combed my hair in about 4 days. I've been on a break, but I still been working during my break. So So this is what the back's looking like. You can see it's not really tangled or anything. And it's just easy. Like, you guys, look at the color. It's the color for me. It's the color for me. So yeah, I am really enjoying this. And the one thing that, you know, I wanted to say is, like, I always work with like Asian companies and stuff, and I do full reviews for them. So I figure, why not? Like, this is a black owned business that I can promote, even though it's not like sponsored or anything. I can promote her in the same manner that I would, you know, the other companies. I would have showed you guys how to apply the unit. I may do another video. Let me know if you want to see me actually apply this unit once I take this off, because again, the front part is glued down. If you want to see me just apply it like it's a glueless unit. So like I said, this is glueless, so once I take this off, I can just wash her and put that elastic band in there. I could either use my Got To Be glue or nothing at all, depending, and you know, it's gonna look so good. So after a wash, I can definitely still give you guys my thoughts, but as you can see so far, no issues whatsoever. And again, it's not dry. Like, girl, like, she took her time throughout. You know, maybe I'm just used to seeing a lot of people do things, and I'm one of those people. Like, I'm not a colorist, but I can get the color that I want. Like, I can make my overall hair look like this, but honey, when you're parting through, she will not be as nice, okay? Not as uniformed. So that just shows it's important to go to a professional. But I am just loving this. So I definitely wanted to come by and let you guys know about the brand, and just to urge you all to support if you feel the need. You don't have to, but if you like what you're seeing, check her out. And again, it is Carissa Collection, I believe. Yeah, CarissaCollection.com. That's where you can purchase everything. And if you want her to actually do your hair in the Nashville area, you know, you can hit her up there as well. I think it's Style C. So, yes. And I'm just doing, again, big light curls. Another thing, her hair is 100% virgin. It's not like processed hair, even though I know a lot of people are selling processed hair. Her hair is 100% virgin, which is probably why it performs so well after the color, because it's not dry. The hair is chemical free, 100%. And again, like I said, she custom made this unit for me, but it's called the Jada. So if you want this exact one, it'll be on the website, and you can use my code PNB to get you $30 off, girl. And we're almost done, just that fast. I've been using the viewfinder to curl this. I haven't been using the mirror, so the mirror tells the real truth. Let's see. I always have a hard time with these front pieces for them to match. Am I the only one? See, this side is a little shorter, I feel, or it's probably just me. So this is what we have. Look at it, but I haven't even raked my finger through the thing. I think, do I need to? The hair. I'm Beyonce. Like, I'm Beyonce. Don't argue, do not at me. I'm just, but my hair is so bomb, y'all. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I need to curl this look. No, I think she's good. She winged. She winged. Y'all, look at it. Oh, yes. Yes, hun. Glides through. The color is hitting on every level, at every angle, hun. We have body. Do you see the movement? Do you see the movement? Yes, you do. Okay. I've done nothing to this hair in a week. Like, okay, seriously, nothing. I'm gonna hit this piece one more time, because again, I can't never get them the same. And my little poke curling iron has just been through it all. Been through it all, honey. I don't think that did it, but it, I think that's okay. Look at there. I'm obsessed. The color is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. Let me bring it to the front so y'all can see all the hair, honey. I like loose curls, and I want this to even fall, so that's just my preference. You can wine curl it, you know, tighter curls, you know, whatever you need to do. But it's a vibe. This will even look good with the side part. Oh, with the bang. With the bang. Okay, stop. So this is what we have. What do you think? I mean, did she not do the thing, or did she do the thing? Did she not do the thing, or did she do the thing? Okay. Like, this hair is so good, you guys. So again, my experience with Carissa was amazing. I hope you guys do check her out. Even if, like I said, you're not in the Nashville area, listen, check your girl out online. I will have everything linked. And if you do decide to buy any extensions or a unit, just use my code PNB, because you'll get $30 off. And these extensions, she say that they last you about 3+ years. I feel like longer, because I've made units in the past and I've had units for like 5-6 years, you know what I'm saying? So it just depends on how you take care of your units. I take care of my units like I take care of regular hair, like wash, condition, deep condition, especially when it has color. So yeah, you know, she says that they last a while. So when you have a fully wig constructed, pre-plucked and everything, you're gonna pay a pretty penny. I think, you know, maybe $300 to $400, but then you get $30 off. So every little bit counts. And yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking about the new color on me. How do you feel about it? Do you think the color suits me? What are you thinking? I think it's amazing. I mean, I look like Beyonce. I love it, you guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. Check out that description box for all the details, and I will talk to you on my next one. Bye.